This is the first time that a song that I wrote is going to be on like K-Rock in LA. Okay, so we are in Newport Beach all week. My sister and her husband are traveling. We are taking a vacation from the desert life and staying at the beach. And today we have a same day turnaround for guests. Like the guests staying at our house, and
check-ins at 3.
Check-ins at 3. It's 1 o'clock right now. Our maid just got there. I am low-key stressing out. My fingers are crossed that everything's okay, because it's just some intricacies with the house. Because we have that third bedroom, I always worry that it's going to be unlocked because we lock it. So just little things. But can our maid flip it in 2 hours? Hopefully the last guests weren't too messy. Yeah, we'll see.
We'll see.
We'll see. She just arrived, so she's got 2 hours. Figure it out. Okay, so the maid is there right now, and she sent us a text of what the pool looks like. So we drained it after we were done using it. But what we learned is that the drain is about this far, like the hole from the drain is about this far from the base. So when you go to drain the pool, there's still like this much of water. And I thought, oh, it's out in the desert. Give it a day in the sun or two, and it'll probably evaporate. You know, no big deal. But it's still there.
Doesn't seem to be the case.
So if you have a stock tank pool, and do I have to move the drain down? Is there a better way to do this? Does somebody know out there? Holler at us, because there was some bugs in the pool. The water, we need to get a net.
We need to get a net.
A net, and just say like, possibly, the bugs like the water, so like just clean it out before you get in. I think people are smart enough.
Yeah, I mean, I would know. I feel like I would know.
Stressed out.
Woo.
I'm stressed out. Yeah. Can we talk about this tan, Kristen?
Oh my god, you love my tan for summer?
Look at it. It's so, does it still hurt?
Yeah. It didn't hurt.
Oh
yeah.
My gosh.
I know. It didn't hurt in the shower just now.
I think it's gonna peel.
Oh, I hope not. I was just getting my my base tan for this week. And I was ready. I was like, gotta get tan for Newport.
Making grilled cheese. Okay, so update on the whole situation. The cleaner cleaned, so it wasn't that big of a cleaning job. So, and then on top of that, we also sent a note to the guests. Hey, just so you know, like, we haven't got all of the things for the cowboy tub, so if there's bugs, just scoop them out. So I think it's fine. They checked in, nothing's the matter. So far so good. No complaints. What's that?
Roosters to geese.
Can you get the shivering on camera?
He might be chilly.
Just a little bit.
He's now a desert dog. Yeah. Since when? News, as we're staying here in Newport Beach, Michael just got a notification that his first song that is on actual radio here in America, right?
Yeah, I've had music on in the UK, like on BBC and stuff like that, but this is the first time that a song that I wrote is going to be on like K-Rock in LA. So, yeah.
So exciting.
Yeah.
We'll celebrate 7 p.m. tonight. This will be months later, so, oh yeah. Well.
Well, it'll probably just be in heavy rotation by then, so.
But yeah. Had to share.
I need to get back to work.
Okay. Just had to update real quick because that's very exciting. Okay, we're in the car. We just got dinner with my parents, and now we are going to listen to Michael's song, Rest in Pieces, with everybody else and their mom that's on this damn song. It's gonna be on K-Rock in 9 minutes.
It's rest in peace.
Sister's house in Newport for the week, and I've been cleaning too. I'm not making Kristen do all the cleaning. We've had a great time, got a lot of work done, and tomorrow we have to head to the house to do some things, so it's exciting. So just cleaning up now. Got to go pick them up from the airport, and this little guy has been cruising for like an hour and a half now, maybe 2 hours, I don't know, but yeah, I guess that's the update.
We are back in La Quinta today, and not for long. We're headed back to Joshua Tree shortly. We are making some lunch. We as in me, I'm making us some tuna fish sandwiches for lunch, and then we are heading out. It is 9:42. Our guests have checked out already. We're gonna do the cleaning today because we're gonna be there. I'll be doing the cleaning, and Michael will be figuring out how to patch the cowboy pool and get the next phase of that all figured out. It never ends, you guys. It really doesn't.
Okay, so we had a very long day planned today at the house of fixing the cowboy pool, catching up on some laundry, and
just getting it all in order.
Oh, we were gonna do a deep clean.
Yeah.
Like a deep clean on the house, and we're literally 15 minutes away driving to the house. It's 12:30 right now, and somebody booked the house for today, so we got...
Check-in at 3.
Check-in at 3. So now we gotta hurry and flip it. We're not gonna be able to fix the cowboy pool. So at least we'll be able to see it, make sure it's not...
in order.
I don't know.
There's no mosquitoes in it.
Yeah, so fun times. Now we'll have to come back.
Well, we were planning on coming back, which we haven't talked about yet. We're going to be doing a photo shoot on Thursday with a photographer that's coming out from
This is a lot of information
Washington.
right now.
Okay.
Interjected into this.
We'll be back.
But, like, will we have to clean it on Monday?
I didn't think about that.
That's what I'm saying.
Oh, man.
Well, we'll have the cleaners clean it on Monday.
Yeah, we can tell them we had a last minute booking and they...
But the laundry. Let's see how much laundry we can get done.
Okay, what time is it?
1:45.
Woo! Okay, we've got an hour.
We have an hour to finish this up.
This is done. The kitchen's done. We just need to sweep and Swiffer the kitchen, the hallway. I'm vacuuming this rug, or yeah, this bed is made and done. I'm gonna vacuum this and get this bed made up. And the bathroom is done. Looks good.
Not how we planned today.
Nope, not at all.
But
life happens.
Grateful for the opportunity to have these people here.
Yes. It's 2:44.
2:44, 2:45, we did it. I'm sweating.
It's 79 here.
Yeah, it's so nice. Today did not turn out like we planned, but we're making an extra $300 that we didn't count on, so...
Yeah, so I'm stoked.
Amazing. This means we can put that $300 back into the house with more fun things, so yes. Yeah.
Like a washer.
Yeah, like a new washer. No, there's other things too, but yeah.
Yeah. Last time we've done an update was, but it is...
We were at the house and then we got booked, remember?
Oh yeah. So it's April...
4th.
April 5th.
It's April 4th. It's April 5th.
Where's the time going?
All the profits that we made this month and spent $1,000 on a new washer.
Yay! Love being an adult. Cleaners will be able to do big loads. I'm sure we've talked about this before. And so will I. But I'm worried that now we're gonna need a new dryer. We can sell the dryer that we bought. The boys. Anyway, just wanted to update you. It is being delivered at the middle of the month. That's about it. Now I'm gonna go edit a vlog or something else. We just got to the house. It is April 6th.
Yes.
Oh yeah, put your hat on. Okay.
It doesn't work in the car.
In all of our videos starting, I'm editing a video currently. You're looking at yourself and fixing your hair.
Well, because you turned the camera on and I'm like, yeah.
You don't look like Josh, you look hot. But yeah, so we're at the house today. We're gonna clean. We had a guest check out a couple days ago. We've got a photo shoot. Hopefully I'll film some of that tomorrow. Happening at the house. We've got people coming to get ready with me. I'm gonna do some makeup tomorrow with a photographer from Washington. And if they're down to be in the vlog, then we'll shoot some of that. I'll have Michael do some BTS for us. Is that it? That's all, folks.
We got some quails. Okay, so let me walk you through my plan. So there's still somebody, or one of our guests used this. There's still a little bit of water because it's not draining out because it's right there. My plan is to drill a hole right here, move this right here, and then when people are done, they can just unplug it and it'll drain all the way down. So that's my plan. And then I'm gonna patch this right here on the outside. I guess that works. Oopsie. Okay, so now we successfully have that in there, and the hose now comes down. What I'll do is I'll dig a deeper trench so the hose comes down and curves this way, and I'll put rocks up underneath it and then cover it with dirt, and no one will ever know. Now I need to patch this hole with this. We got this little patch, and more just in case this does not work. Yeah, should be perfect. All right, so I just put a little bit of water in there to see if it would leak. There's no leaks under there, so I am going to go ahead and patch up this hole, let this glue dry, put some Flex Seal on it. So now I'm gonna use this super glue. Okay, so the hole is now patched. The hose is now in. I have super glued the metal with metal super glue and put Flex Seal, clear Flex Seal on both sides. So it should be a watertight seal and we should be good. So now I gotta let that dry I'm gonna let it dry overnight, and then tomorrow morning I'll fill it up and see how it works. Good. Give me like a thumbs up.
This was on the side of the vanity in the bathroom.